Party Popper, welcome to Beki Decor. Party Popper. Discover inspiring indoor decor ideas, creative transformations, and beautiful stand decor designs to elevate your space. Join us as we share tips, styling guides, and decor secrets to brighten every corner of your home. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with our latest decor inspirations. Home Sparkles. Indoor stand decor is one of the most expressive and versatile decor categories offered by Beki Decor. Our philosophy is simple. Stands should not only hold objects, they should elevate the beauty of your interior space. Whether used for plants, artwork, lighting, or decorative items, Beki Decor's indoor stands bring structure. Beki Decor's wooden plant stands are among our most cherished pieces, known for adding a refreshing natural touch to indoor spaces. We believe indoor plants deserve a stylish platform that enhances their beauty and presence. Our plant stands are crafted from durable hardwoods with smooth finishes that highlight natural grain patterns. Designed at varying heights, they create visual layers that make greenery more striking and elegant. Each stand is engineered for stability, allowing you to safely place potted plants of different sizes. Whether positioned in corners, near windows, or beside furniture, Beki Decor plant stands bring life, warmth, and organic energy into your room. They pair beauty. Art deserves to be presented with dignity, and Beki Decor's art display stands are crafted with that purpose in mind. Whether you want to showcase framed pictures, small sculptures, cultural artifacts, or handcrafted pieces, our stands offer elegant support that enhances visual storytelling. We design stands with clean lines, sturdy bases, and balanced proportions to help the artwork stand out without distraction. Our art stands come in various heights and styles, making them perfect for hallways, living rooms, studios, or home offices. They ensure that meaningful pieces are highlighted at the right eye level, creating a curated gallery-like atmosphere. Beki Decor's art stands are a celebration of culture, creativity, and interior expression. Each one is crafted to turn ordinary corners into captivating focal points filled with beauty and narrative. The first impression of a home begins at the entryway, and Beki Decor creates indoor stands that make this moment memorable. Our entryway stands are designed to hold decorative bowls, statement plants, artwork, and personal items like keys or baskets. Crafted with sleek lines and natural textures, these stands transform hallways and entrances into welcoming, organized spaces. The height and shape of each piece are carefully proportioned to make the entryway feel open and stylish. With Beki Decor, your guests are greeted by a space that feels intentional and beautifully curated. Our stands enhance functionality while establishing warmth and sophistication the moment someone steps inside. Beki Decor brings harmony and elegance into bedrooms through thoughtfully designed stand decor. We create bedside stands, plant stands, and decorative corner stands that add character without overwhelming the space. Each stand is crafted to complement bedroom aesthetics, offering soft textures, warm tones, and calming visual balance. Our stands are ideal for holding lamps, books, small plants, or personal decor items. The minimalist but expressive designs help create a serene environment, perfect for rest and relaxation. With Beki Decor, bedroom decor becomes a blend of comfort, beauty, and peaceful energy. Indoor stand decor is also essential in workspaces, where organization and inspiration meet. Beki Decor creates office display stands that hold stationery, plants, inspirational art, and lighting. These stands help declutter desks while adding a stylish, motivational touch to the environment. Our designs promote focus by keeping essential items within reach and enhancing the visual appeal of your workspace. The natural accent stands play a powerful role in interior decor, especially when showcasing sculptures, pottery, or handmade crafts. Beki Decor's accent stands are crafted to bring attention to meaningful objects and elevate the overall decor theme of the room. We design them with elegant curves, geometric lines, and natural wood textures that serve as artistic foundations for your decorative items. These stands are often used in living rooms, hallways, or cultural display corners. They create a museum-like. Thank you for being part of the Beki Decor community. Your support keeps us creating more decor content every week. We appreciate every view and every comment. Please make sure to subscribe so you never miss our newest decor inspiration. Thank you for being a